What is going on, guys? Friday, yet again, freaking sweet. So, moving on with the night crawling series. Tonight, I'm going to be running my dad's. I think I'm going to run his Deadbolt. So, yeah, let me get a battery in that and we'll get rolling. Be right back. Okay, guys, here we go. Dad's Deadbolt night series, video number 9. Yeah. Freaking cool. Got my Ranger Tower back in order somewhat. Still working on the stairs. Yeah. Stinking sweet. So just a heads up, I started a new project on a different truck. So currently I have the Orlando Hunter build going on, and I have my C10 build going on, which the body is painted. I just gotta go pick it up. And I got actually 2 more on top of that. So keep your eye out for them. I think you guys are going to love it. I have the bodies all for the other 2 done and ready to go, but I need to work out a chassis. I think I might be putting my C10 in retirement for one of them, but I haven't quite bit the bullet on that yet. So they are both gonna be freaking cool, I can tell you one thing. Gate 2 guys, so far no penalties. See if we can't get through here with no penalties. This is one of the most difficult areas on my track. This climb right here. Oh, are you serious? My battery went dead? Alright guys, hold on. Okay, and we're back. Let's see if we can get this done. Oh, look at that. Without a hitch. Uh-oh. Look at that. It's all about the tires, guys. All about the tires. So the tires on this thing, they're the Super Swamper Boggers from RC 4-wheel drive. Freaking sweet. It's so cool. As we work our way across the back here on our way to gate 4. Gate 4 is down through the frame twister. Let's see if we can do it, guys. So cool. So no penalties so far. I almost got one right there. No penalties. So stinking sweet. That was gate 4, guys. And now we have to work our way to gate 5, which is right over here. Oh, we did it. No penalties yet, guys. This is amazing. So stinking sweet. Oh, wait. Gate 5. Gate 6 is over here. Up over by the campsite. rock bed. Still no penalties. That's so sweet. Alright, back over to the most difficult section of the course. Climbing up over these rocks. Can we do it? So far, so good. Oh yeah. Freaking sweet. Uh-oh. Getting hung up. Stock servo yet in this, guys. Whoa. That's probably why it's struggling a little bit. But I don't think it's struggling too bad. No penalties. Just thinking cool. Go behind the new haunted house. Those stock servos just have no power. Oh no! Can he save it? Oh yeah, look at that. We saved it. I don't know if I'm going to count that as one penalty for the rollover or what. Yeah, we'll have to do a rollover. At least a rollover. Boom. Gate 8, guys. One penalty so far. One penalty. Oh yeah. See if we can't keep it going. One penalty. Stinking sweet. Just went through gate 8, working our way over to gate 9. Gate 9 is right here at the bottom of the teeter-totter. Uh-oh. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Oh no. Can he do it? Come on. That servo's really making this difficult. There we go. There we go. We did it. Oh yeah. Up we go. Up basically the stairway to heaven. In this case it's the roadway to heaven. It's so freaking tall. There we go. Yeah. Alright, now we gotta get off of it without it flinging us overboard. Bam! We did it. Make our way over to gate 10 now, guys. Ooh, that was a close one. Close one. Gate 10. Can we make it through? Oh yeah. Didn't hit it. That was the ramp moving that gate, guys. Let's get you guys a better picture. See if we can't get through here. Oh, that back tire's gonna hit it, guys. Gotta back through it and reline up. Alright, let's see if we're straighter now. Too 2 penalties? No, 1 penalty. 1 penalty so far, guys, and we almost got another one. 1 penalty. It's gonna be a new record in this series. Boom. We did it. Dad's Deadbolt for the win. Well, not really the win, but for the lead. Gotta run Bigfoot yet. Gotta run Dad's Jeep yet. There we go, guys. 1 penalty. Dad's Deadbolt. Freaking cool. So there we have it. A new leader. Dad's Deadbolt. 1 penalty. Freaking sweet. All right. We will see you guys tomorrow morning. Or tomorrow. So hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit the bell so you get notified when I post. And we'll see you Saturday. Bye.